Hey kings and queens, peace, love and light. Hope you guys are doing alright so far. Just want you guys to know that I love you, I appreciate you, and I want you to work on yourself so you can be the better version of your best self. Now, each of you guys know that I love you very much, right? I try to make healthcare, mental health, all the services that me and my business partner, Conrad, provide to be very affordable. Now, you guys know what this is in my hand. You know this is chlorophyll. When we originally started making chlorophyll, chlorophyll had over 15 herbs. Now it has over 26. Chlorophyll has so many medicinal benefits, it's going to take all day if I should list them all. Some of the medicinal herbs in chlorophyll include moringa, king of the forest, oregano, neem, vervine, dog blood, leaf of life, susumba leaf, dopigon. There are so many medicinal herbs in this. Now, what we have done for you guys is revolutionize healthcare. Now, doctors won't tell you that you can simply solve most of your medical issues by detoxifying your body, changing your lifestyle, changing your diet, exercising, and just being careful of what you do with your free time. So your habits, whether it's smoking, drinking, whatever it might be, just changing your lifestyle can improve greatly all the things that you face in your life. Now, everything in the body that's ailment-wise or illness-wise begins in the blood. This is one of the reasons why whenever you go to the doctor, they ask you for a urine test, a blood test, or your family history. They have to test to find out what's wrong with your body before they can prescribe what's going on. Now, chlorophyll has a variety of benefits. You guys used to complain about the taste. We have fixed that. What is your excuse now? Remember at the start of the video, I want you guys to give me your best excuse for why you're not taking care of yourself. Now, in case you're saying chlorophyll is too expensive and you don't want to drink anything bitter, don't worry, we got you. We also have a variety of other products that we offer as well. We have our mixed nuts that can help you to lose weight. We also infuse it with our herbs as well. Don't want that? No problem. We have our capsules. And these are chlorophyll capsules. Same, this is actually a 75 pack. These are the same medicinal herbs. And if you're worried, it has this label on it. So you can see the directions. You can know how to take it. Don't want capsules? No problem. We have our daily immune booster, which has the same medicinal herbs, but it's also in honey. Don't want that? No problem. We have another honey infusion without the herbs, but it has other medicinal benefits. It doesn't taste bitter. It's very sweet. It's very potent. It will give you a lot of energy. Don't want that? Don't worry yourself. You realize I'm giving you multiple options. We have our infused oil, which is used in coconut oil or olive oil. Same medicinal herbs, we infuse them. Don't want that? No problem. We have our infused honey, which has all the medicinal herbs. It's much tastier. It's more convenient. You can walk with it wherever you go. Just take a couple drops. Build and boost your immune system daily. Guys, I am making it very affordable, very convenient, and very easy for you to live a healthier, better quality of life. Many of you guys have to take pills to go to sleep, have to take pills to get an erection, have to take pills to balance out your hormones, have to take pills to balance out your blood sugar, have to take pills to balance out your blood pressure. Guys, if you are not able to maintain your health, spend time and invest on your health. It is not expensive if you buy products from us or if you change your lifestyle. You know what is expensive? Going to the doctor and looking at him. Before you even face him eye to eye, you have to pay your fee. Then after you've done that, you have to go and pay other money to do tests, whether it's a blood test, a urine test, a CT scan, an ultrasound, whatever it is. And then after all that spending, you have to take medication. And you know what's going to happen? After 2 weeks, you have to go back and refill that prescription. Whenever I have a customer, I follow up with them and I make sure that they're doing good. I have nothing but good reviews for my chlorophyll. And I know that you might be tired of hearing my voice talking about chlorophyll. You might be tired of hearing Conrad's voice talking about chlorophyll. So you know what we're going to do? To go a step further, I have about 10 different voice notes that I've gotten from customers talking about their benefits and their feedback from taking chlorophyll. So, I will be posting those videos throughout the rest of the week. So, I'm going to ask you one more time. What is your excuse for not wanting to better yourself? What is your excuse for not wanting to have a better, healthier quality of life? Why don't you want to be the better version of your best self? Give me your best excuse and I'll stop making videos about chlorophyll. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.